My name's Jack Frith from Bakersfield, California with Fiction Fabrication. We brought this 1970 K5 Blazer Roadster. In the past, I've usually worked on newer rides. This is actually the first C10 or K5 that I've worked on. Typically work in newer mini trucks or full-size trucks. This is the first time building our own full chassis for something like this. We designed all the suspension, A-arms, everything front to back, all in-house, all built in-house, as well as did all the sheet metal work, all in-house as well. When we started this, we didn't really have any previous designs to go off of. Took a lot of time, a lot of researching, a lot of prototyping of parts, getting the suspension to function the way we wanted. We didn't want to use any other manufacturer's suspension components, so we put together our own full chassis front to back, our own upper and lower control arm, as well as our own rear suspension for it. As far as suspension, we're using Slam Specialties bags on all four corners. We have their SS7 bags in front, SS6 bags in the rear, Fox shocks at all four corners, helping us stop this thing. Willwood was kind enough to hook us up with a set of brakes for the front and rear. Hooked up to the Willwood brakes is the CPP Hydrastop kit. It's all powered by the power steering pump, and everything helps it stop really nice. CPP was kind enough to hook us up with the steering column, as well as all the U-joints, all the linkage necessary to hook it up to their Power Mustang II rack that we're using in this thing. That was kind of the starting point of the whole design. Everything, we started with the steering rack and kind of built out from there. Yeah, as far as the drivetrain is, I had 2010 to 15 Camaro LS3 with a 6L80 transmission. The rear diff is a narrowed and fully rebuilt K5 12 bolt, pretty standard differential, but we upgraded the internals and stuff like that. The engine internally was kept pretty well stocked just to keep reliability. You know, it was a pretty low mileage motor when we got it. The feedback here at SEMA this week's been pretty unreal, actually. All positive. A lot of people have shown a lot of interest in what we're trying to do here with this suspension and with this Blazer in particular. A lot of people didn't. I think this just gave us a chance to branch out into a different type of vehicle that's going to gain a little more notoriety than vehicles I've worked on in the past. No, the response has been really great.